Hello students, let us learn about AWT in Java. First of all, what is the meaning of AWT? AWT stands for Abstract Window Toolkit. Abstract Window Toolkit. With the help of AWT, we can design button, label, text field, text area, checkbox, option button, choice, list, whatever required inside our form, we can design. Basically, it's the starting point for your project development. Let us learn the contents and how to design that contents. First of all, import file is required java.awt.star. Let the name of the class is AWT1 because it's our first program of AWT. Then main function is required, public static void main string arguments, public static. Then one base is required, frame f is equal to new frame let the title of the frame is AWT Abstract Window Toolkit Tools. Let the title of the frame is like this. Let us execute the program so that we can check the title. Step by step, you can check the contents. Frame is required for that, or base or outer boundary is required. Let us say button, or you have to add this content. For that, f dot set size, suppose size is 500 into 700 so that you can see the content. Then f dot set layout is also required. Let this value is null. Then f dot set visible true. Now compile the program, then execute it. Now you can see the frame. AWT Abstract Window Toolkit tools, and the frame size is 500 into 700. You can increase or decrease the size accordingly. Let us design button inside this frame. For that, button class is there, button B is equal to new button. Let the title of the button is click here. Later on we will study about the working of these buttons. First of all, learn to design the content. Set bounds. Now, what is the meaning of this? Set bounds. So boundary of the button 50-50 is the starting point. 80 and 30 its length and breadth. Then f dot add b. Now, what is the meaning of this? These three lines are there. First line is declaration. Second is setting up of boundary. Third one is addition of button inside the form. Let us compile and execute the program. You will see the designing of a button. Click here. You can add more buttons with different name. Let us copy and paste the content. Suppose button is B1, B1, addition of B1. Suppose here I add OK, and here cancel. 50-50. Suppose I write here 150, then compile and execute. Yes, you can design the second button, OK and cancel. Hope you learn about the designing of button. Let us repeat again. First is requirement of import file. Second one is declaration of frame, and in addition to this, these three lines are required: set size, set layout and set visible. For the designing of button, these three lines are required. Button B, button is by default class, frame is by default class, new button, OK. Whatever you want to write inside the button you can write. Then boundary is required. Boundary means the starting point, whatever the shape. Suppose I write here 80, 30, in place of 30 I write 70. You can increase the size of the button. Length is 80 and breadth is 70. Accordingly, you can design as per the requirement of your software. Next one is for second button, you can change into B1. Rest code is same, and you have to change here the values. The starting point 80-30 is length and breadth. Suppose I would like to take same length for both the buttons, and 150-50, it means it's in the same row because value of y is same 50 and x is changing only. If I change 50 and changing the y coordinate, it means it's generally below the first button. These are the mathematical tools. It's below the first button. It means I am increasing the value of y, value of x remain as it is. If I increase both the values, it means it will place diagonally. Hope you understand the contents. In the next video, we will try to learn label, text field, text area, checkboxes and other tools. Thank you.